Sonavne sir, Ruchu madam and Pathak sir, we have shared a Google sheet. So if you have conducted any guest lectures or anything from that list from quarter, please add to that so that we have a comprehensive list and as a university IIC upload it.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I'm actually
done, madam. We have actually prepared a monthly report, and we are sending.
Yes, sir. No, ऐका ना sir.
All the activities are mentioned there.
Yeah, yes, I know that, but I am not in a position to ask registrar office for each and every school's report. So what we have done is we have prepared a Google sheet, and in that we have mentioned only the activities which will be relevant to IIC. Correct. So now there are 2 lectures, one by an achiever and one by an entrepreneur. So we have uploaded whatever we have done, and there is one compulsory activity which was regarding national education policy, which I have uploaded in that Google sheet. So there will be 1 or 2 lectures which you have to upload. Rest all activities will be the reports. I will circulate a proper format in which we have to upload the reports on the IIC portal. So that is a later part, but today we have to upload the minutes of the meeting and this activity calendar, whatever activities have happened in quarter 1. So that's the reason we have shared the Google sheet. It is minimum hardly 2 or 3 sentences you have to write. So if you can update it, then it will be easier for us to upload it on today's date.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was actually uploading it only. I was updating it.
Okay.
So after this meeting, ma'am, I'll be completing because we did couple of sessions like which are fitting into those criteria. So I'll be doing it, ma'am.
Yeah.
It was just that sessions were going on, lectures of MSc.
Yeah,
so
I know. And we were just thinking how to get that information, because getting that information and then comprehending it would have been a little difficult for me right now. So that's the reason we formulated this Google sheet. So all the information is at one place.
Gauri madam, I just joined. I just wanted to ask whether we have to upload 1 lecture, because we had 3 lectures on that same platform.
Sir, आता तुम्ही आता त्या कॅटेगरीत बसणारी जी लेक्चर्स आहेत ना ती अपलोड करा, and we will finally upload all those. So जेवढी झाली असतील त्या कॅटेगरी वाईज तुम्ही अपलोड करा.
Okay. Thank you.
Hima Gupta ma'am nahi आल्या का? म्हणजे if everybody is there, we can start the meeting, because you have a meeting later in the university. I think all the heads have to attend a meeting at 4:30. So if we can just.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, how is your health?
I'll ask Hima madam to join. Yeah.
I am not really, very good shape right now. But then duty is duty, and I have to do whatever I have to do. So that's the reason I just thought we'll have a quick meeting. Sagar sir, Prasad sir join करू शकणार आहेत का नाही करू शकणार आहेत? I hope he will not be able to join probably. Aruna ma'am.
Yes ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, you are there. Okay, yeah. So who's remaining now? I think Hima Gupta.
Madam Gupta is joining.
Prasad sir. Okay, ठीक है. Yeah, I think she had joined. So let's begin with the official proceedings of the meeting. Manimala madam asked me to go ahead because ultimately it's going to be under the President IIC chairmanship. So I'll begin with the meeting, and whenever she gets free, she said she'll join. So So officially, I welcome you all, the new council, Institute Innovation Council, all the respected members. I welcome you all to the first meeting, which is a Zoom meeting. And as we know, this is a new normal for all of us. So even MHRD, now the Ministry of Education, is accepting Zoom meetings and snapshots of the Zoom meeting as official snapshots. So this is our first official meeting. So a warm welcome from myself, and let's we know each other, but then let's have a dialogue today. I think I don't have Satish sir's number, so if somebody can share it with him, the link. That's the reason he's not there in the group as well. I had told Sharad sir to send me his number, Director Data Science. So if somebody can send him a message and call him for the meeting, it will be really great. Somebody has his number. number.
Okay, I will do it. मी बोलतो मॅडम.
हा, तर त्यांना फक्त लिंक पाठवायला लागेल. आय एम सो सॉरी, कारण त्यांचं नाव बरोबर राहून गेलं याच्यातून.
ओके ओके.
You can just ask him to join. We'll begin officially. And if you have his number, please share it with me so that I can add him to the group.
और आ जाइए 2 तारीख को मेरा
हिमा मैडम, आपने एक ही स्टूडेंट का नाम दिया है, तो
yes,
you can give. हाँ,
you want one more?
Students भी चलेंगे. Yeah, you can have more. We can have more students in each category. We have at least 10 students. So if we get more number of students from each department, then there can be a good blend of students from all the departments in every category. So,
okay ma'am, I will give 1 or 2 names.
हाँ, या आपका एक आपने भेजा है जो अभी मेल मिला, तो if you can send one more, then it will be really great. 1 or 2 more.
Okay, I will give.
Because I think from engineering we have received 3 names, and from beauty wellness we have received 2 names. So if you can add a few more, 1 or 2 more, I think Manisha, is that right? We can add a few more students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can.
Sagar sir, if you can suggest from BBA retail, it will be really great, because Prasad sir is not there. He had sent his details, but in the same mail I had requested to send students details.
No, madam, student detail are there in that mail only. When you scroll down, you can same mail.
Okay.
2 students' names are there. Yeah, with email ID.
Okay. So I must have missed it. I'm sorry. I just entered my house and sat in front of the computer to.
That's okay, ma'am. That's completely okay.
So a few things I must have missed, so I'm extremely sorry for that. Whether he is joining, Sonone sir, तुमचं काही बोलणं झालं?
His number is not reachable, madam. I am trying.
मला एक म्हणायचं आहे मॅडम, तुम्ही गुगल शीट करणार आहे मनीषा वार, तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय तुम्हाला अटॅचमेंट पण हवे आहेत का?
नाही, आता काही नको आहे. आता फक्त आपल्याला ऍक्टिव्हिटी कॅलेंडर अपलोड करायचंय सर, जे रिपोर्ट्स आपल्याला ऍक्टिव्हिटीचे सबमिट करायचे ते ह्याच्यानंतर करायचे, त्याचं इंटिमेशन आल्यानंतर आपल्याला रिपोर्ट्स अपलोड करायचे. पण त्याचाही आम्ही व्यवस्थित फॉर्मॅट तो डाउनलोड करतो, कारण गेल्या वर्षीचे रिपोर्ट्स एवढे व्यवस्थित नव्हते जे काय अपलोड झाले होते ते. सो वी विल हॅव टू प्रिपेअर प्रॉपर फॉर्मॅट्स अँड अपलोड फोटोग्राफ्स आणि बऱ्याच गोष्टी आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. सो ते आम्ही शेअर करतो. मग त्याच्याप्रमाणे आफ्टर द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर इज ओव्हर वी हॅव टू अपलोड द रिपोर्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर. सो आपला फर्स्ट क्वार्टर आता नोव्हेंबर एंडला ओव्हर होईल ना, सो त्याच्यानंतर वी कॅन अपलोड रिपोर्ट. सो वी स्टील हॅव टाइम फॉर दॅट. आजच्या अटॅचमेंट्स म्हणजे फक्त मिनिट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग वी हॅव टू अपलोड. वी हॅव टू अपलोड द ऍक्टिव्हिटी कॅलेंडर, द अटेंडन्स, the resolution that all these members are new members, so the resolution we have to upload, and that's it. And some screenshots of this meeting with all of us attending this meeting.
ते ऍक्टिव्हिटी कॅलेंडरचं तुम्ही गुगल शीट शेअर करणार आहे?
हा, तेच केलंय
का?
हो, केलंय ऑलरेडी. ती जी मगाशी तुम्हाला लिंकची मेल पाठवली ना, त्याच्यात खाली गुगल शीटची लिंक पण आहे.
Gauri ma'am, I have one doubt. Hello.
Yes.
Actually, you have shared one link of Google Sheet. In that Google Sheet, you have asked to fill some activities, some guest lectures detail. So we have to add the rows in terms of that, or what? Because our lectures, title, speakers, everything is different, na?
No, but the content may be similar, la. That you must have had some entrepreneurs lecture. Like in between a few days back you had some shopper stops heads lecture.
Yes.
Or something, some achievers lecture. So the contents are going to be the same, the titles are going to be different. For us the title for both the lectures were same, like creative pursuits, but then one was for motivation and one was for achievement, something like that.
So suppose one lecture was happened in terms of HR, so that can come under the motivation thing. HR lecture, branding lecture.
Yes, branding lecture can come under entrepreneurship. You just share the contents with me, na, and I'll check it out.
Okay, I will share the sheet of that guest lectures with you. Okay.
Okay. I think we'll begin with our proceedings, and Satish sir will join eventually. So I think, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll share the screen with all of you. Before that, if all of you can just switch on your videos, then we will have some.
ही शीट आहे ना, याला रॅप टेक्स्ट कुठं ऑप्शन असतो? अच्छा, तू याच्यावर गेलाय का?
सागर सर, please switch on.
Sorry ma'am.
No, please switch on your video. We need
yes,
to
doing
have
ma'am.
Screenshots.
Education of tribal students.
क्या टॉपिक्स है?
टॉपिक्स ही नहीं है, एजुकेशन पे रिसर्च.
Manisha, once you are done, just let me know.
स्किलिंग पे डालो, स्किलिंग पे, जिसकी डेफिशिएंसी है, कॉम्पिटेंसी, स्किलिंग, कॉम्पिटेंट कैसे बनाना है, नॉलेज से स्किलिंग.
Pathak sir, Hima ma'am, Sagar, you all have to switch on your.
I have switched on.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, I am doing.
Sir, Pathak sir, तुमचा दिसत
आहे ना मी.
Yes.
मी मोबाईल वरून जॉईन केलाय. माझ्या
हो ठीक आहे.
Yes ma'am, I'm done.
Meenal is not there.
She's there ma'am.
Meenal is here.
I'm done ma'am, you can start.
You can. Okay. So I'll share my screen with all of you, and we'll just have a look about what is.
Madam, Satya is another meeting, that is NASCOM meeting is going on. So he will be
okay.
late.
ठीक है. It's okay.
Once
he joins, again we will have a screenshot.
Okay.
हाँ, पण त्यांनी स्क्रीनशॉट तिने काढला आहे. Now we can shut down, and once he joins, then we'll have one more photograph, so that and Manisha, you can click photos while the screen is also on, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That is also. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, welcome to the first meeting, and for the new members who are not aware of why this IIC and what is that. So, Ministry of Human Resource Development, now it's known as Ministry MOE, Ministry of Education, Government of India has established Innovation Cell, that is MIC, to systematically foster the culture of innovation amongst the higher education institutes, which we are following actually as our philosophy itself, but to generalize it and to actually promote innovation in all the higher education institutes, this particular innovation cell has to be set up in every institute. The primary mandate of MIC is to encourage, inspire and nurture young students by supporting them to work with new ideas while they are in formative years. It has envisioned creation of Institute Innovation Council across selected HEIs. A network of these IICs will be established to promote innovation in the institution through multitudinous modes, leading to an innovation promotion ecosystem in these campuses. Basically, it includes all sorts of ranking also, like the ARIA or ATL ranking, which was a part of this this initiative by MHRD. So the focus is to create a vibrant local innovation ecosystem, startup supporting mechanism in the higher education institutes, prepare institute for ATL ranking of institutions on innovation achievement framework, that is ARIA, which we have uploaded the details recently and for which we got good ranking for last year. Establish function ecosystem for scouting ideas and pre-incubation of ideas. Develop better cognitive ability amongst technology students. So the cognitive thinking ultimately will foster creative thinking and will encourage the students to be more and more innovative. So that is the basic focus of IIC. So though we are technical courses, architecture is a course where there is a lot of creativity, innovation all the time happening, and so happens in engineering as well. But then we have to promote those ideas and so that the students are motivated for innovation. So the function of IICs are promote innovation in the institution through various modes leading to innovation promotion ecosystems in the campus, to conduct various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities prescribed by Central MIC in time-bounded fashion, identify and reward innovations and share success stories, organize periodic workshops, seminars, interactions with entrepreneurs, investors, professionals, and create a mentor pool for student innovators, network with peers and national and entrepreneurship development organizations, create an institution's innovation portal to highlight innovative projects carried out by institutions, faculty, and students, organize hackathons, idea competitions, mini challenges, etc. with the involvement of industries. We are doing most of these things, organizing internal hackathons, organizing idea competitions, mini challenges. but whatever we are doing has to be promoted and put it up on the portal, so that even when the success stories are shared, the students get motivated, and even the faculties who are guiding them. So this is, as you all know, this has been shared with all of you. This is our council for this year. I have also prepared a resolution which has to be submitted to on the portal. Me is I am the president, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad sir is the convener. Dr. Satish sir is the coordinator for innovation activity. Dr. Pathak sir is the coordinator for startup activity. Internship coordinator is obviously Dr. Sononi ma'am. IPR activity coordinator is Dr. Sononi sir. Social media is again obviously Sagar Bhadange sir. Coordinator for ARIA is architect Manisha Wagh. NIRF coordinator is Dr. Hima Gupta. Incubation in charge is Ruchu madam. She's also the vice president. And 3 representatives from the industry, and Satish Ranade sir is there with us. Last year also he was part of the council. This is our performance report, which I thought is very important to share, because as mentioned in my earlier email, we received a certificate with 3 stars. The rating was 3 stars in 18-19, and last year the rating was just 1.5 stars. And we tried to find out. I spoke to Arole sir regarding this, and then he said that there were not many activities which happened last year, and whatever activities happened, when we checked the reports uploaded, the reports were not up to the mark. So probably that was the reason we received less marks. And out of, like, if you see the IISc calendar activities, there are 2 activities which are mandatory, and 3 elective activities we have to conduct, minimum 3 elective activities. And the threshold number of activities is 12, and we conducted only 7 activities, and we have received scores only in that. And MIC driven activity which are declared by the ministry, we haven't participated in any of the activities, and even self driven activities, we have not uploaded any of the activities. So that's the reason probably we have scored only 29.17 marks, and there are no rewards. So weightage for every type of activity is as follows. There are these 4 quarters. If you can see, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So the annual calendar plan which we upload carries certain marks. Whether we are following whatever plan we are giving to them, that carries marks. Then self-driven activities again carry certain marks. MIC-driven activities again carry certain marks. So these 2 marks were lacking, and that's the reason we scored less. So this is the methodology of how the scores are calculated. So minimum 12 activities we have to conduct, where we had only 7 activities instead, in the place of 12 activities. So the reward points were given accordingly. And these 2, the reward points were 0 because there were no activities in these 2 sections. So we'll see to it that we do whatever is required to score good marks, and we'll prepare proper activities reports and upload the reports. The only thing all of us have to remember that whatever activity we conduct, we have to document the activity really well with proper photographs and video shoots and all those things, so that we have good amount of documentation, good documentation to be uploaded on the portal.
Gauri, can I just interrupt?
Oh, okay, ma'am. I didn't know you joined.
Yes. Myself and Dr. Satish were on another meeting. We just joined.
Okay.
But as far as the documentation is concerned, I'll just give an example. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose you are conducting an activity like, let's say a simple example. You are conducting a workshop by some expert from outside. So the first activity is that the notice for that workshop, that it will be held on so and so date, the invitation letter to the resource person, then the attendance for that, then some photographs and videos to support, then the agenda of that workshop, whatever it was before it was conducted. Then of course, after that, once the workshop is conducted, attendance is there, which classes attended, which students attended it, and the notice says that students of so and so class will attend it. Okay. Now the videos and the photographs, and lastly, 1-page report on that activity written by the coordinator, whosoever was coordinating that activity. So always a 1-page report has to be attached, and finally then a copy of the certificate, if there was any certificate for that, and then a thank you letter. So once you prepare this in a small folder, this is the documentation of that particular activity. So I just took one example and I gave you a list of the documents to be attached, where this will show that you have conducted this activity. And then this document.
And they have certain parameters which through which the documents to be uploaded in the report. So that also will prepare a proper format and circulate it. We have to upload it anyways after the first quarter is over. So we still have time. So we will also prepare that format and circulate so that it's in a uniform format. So, and thank you. It's a really good compilation of what is to be documented. So then we come to the effective range from star allocation for star allocation. So right now we are at 1.5 stars. So we are in between, we have got 29 point something. So we are in this range. So to at least get
out, Gauri, you find out last time what happened, whether we did not upload?
Yes, I showed it. I think you joined a little late, so you were not aware. Ma'am, this is our performance report.
Yeah.
So where the activities have to be 12, we conducted only 7. Where the activities have to be 24, we conducted 0. And 12, we conducted 0. So that's the reason we have received only these many marks.
Okay. And what is MIC and what is that other one? MIC
MIC is the Ministry Innovation Council, under which IICs are there. So they declare certain lectures from time to time which we have to attend. They declare certain orientation programs for the faculty or the student members which they have to attain. So all that are actually compulsory. MIC driven activities are compulsory.
So we didn't attend those, is it?
And
what about self-driven activities?
Because self-driven activities are the activities which we conduct, like some design innovation competitions, or like last year we had conducted one exhibition. So that probably was not uploaded in the.
So one is that whatever we conducted was less, and second, whatever we conducted, that was not properly uploaded.
Not reported, yes, not properly.
Yes. Okay. So we don't want to make the same mistakes. So we got in last year we were on 3 star, and then we dropped to 1.5 star in last.
So we were like in this range, and we dropped to here.
Yes.
So
correct.
So let's
now,
aim to go here.
Yeah.
Like scoring 100 and like 84 to 100. So if we do it properly, it's not difficult because we are doing so many activities. We just have to do it in that particular format and document it in that particular format and upload it. So whatever we are doing, we have to project it. That's what I feel. So and add a little more innovative activities and the startup and incubation. These are the two areas which we need to focus on this year, because last year we didn't do anything about it. So this year we will definitely aim for that as well. So, and for 5 stars, these are some additional parameters where you have to have regional mentoring session hosting. I have yet to go through all these things and try and understand what all these things are. So it will take some time, like because I was not part of the IIC last year, so I have to study this.
The most difficult one, it seems.
Yes, I know, but let us aim for the best. And हाँ, लेकिन खरगोश की शिकार करने जाना है तो पहले तो we have to aim for a tiger, then only we will reach 4 stars. That is what I feel. So I will study this. I have no idea about this, so I myself have to study, and then probably I'll be able to comment on it. Right now, so I don't have much idea about what is innovation ambassador training, hosting, and all those things. Probably some training session, if we host, we get those additional marks. So we'll try to do that if possible.
15 prototypes, then we get 10 marks, something like this.
Yes.
So then that means every department has to be very active on all these aspects.
Yes.
Then only you can collect 50 ideas, 15 prototypes, and so on.
Yeah.
So we expect this team to work really hard.
One more idea, what I feel is we can do it in our department. It's not difficult. I think it may be possible in engineering as well. For 50 different ideas, as we are a design based school, we can get many ideas. Like we can give them small projects, and those ideas can be banked. Means even during this quarantine time and lockdown period, we had given the students for tunnel and quarantine module as well, and we have got a lot many. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are.
Oh, ma'am, we have 2 minutes left.
Like that, it was a time-bound problem. It was a time-bound. But this meeting is a recurring meeting, so we can join with the same link.
Gauri madam, I want to ask you something. Like we discussed about, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, as we were discussing about this name, which I come across called as self-driven activities. So just I would like to understand that, we did on that occasion of Women's Day, a novel activity, which was pampering the housekeeping, so that our students can, I'm talking before COVID, so that our students can polish their skills. And also it was a noble cause, that is for the housekeeping. So such type of activities could be included in self-driven. I'm just trying to understand. That's why I thought I'll ask.
Even I have to understand that, to be very frank. But we'll explore now. We'll explore.
That's true. That's true.
So.
Okay.
So Gauri,
the same link.
Gauri, can you find
all of us can join with the same link. मैम ये मीटिंग अभी खत्म हो जाएगा, हम लोग वापस ज्वाइन करते हैं and then we can discuss.
Yeah, but we need to finish by 4:25 at least.
Yes,
because
yes, I know. There is nothing much to discuss. I'll just share
because
the
these
Google.
People will have to walk up also to the VC conference room. Na?
Yes. We'll finish by 4:25.
So anybody has any questions can ask.
Who has to join yet?
Okay, photograph
Gauri ma'am.
Video photograph karo.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, like now we have also got PG students with us, like MSc is there and post graduation. So we can do for them, wellness kind of activities up to a level of like, blood testing or something, because we have got a lot of doctors also with us as a kind of a social cause. Yeah. Maybe at our Symbiosis Healthcare, we can initiate this activity that this will be polishing the student skill and plus like that. So can such be activities be a part of it? Like self-driven?
Innovation cell, I need to check out whether it can be part of innovation cell. I'll also get in touch with a few more other people from other institutes who are already doing it. And then probably we can figure out. So this is the calendar which has been shared by the council MIC. So if you can see, the first is at institute level this meeting was mandatory, so we conducted it, and then workshop on entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunity. These are the electives, out of which minimum 3 electives have to be taken up. Now we are in the first quarter of semester 1. Actually, this year the semester pattern is going to be a little different. So, but we have uploaded whatever our academic calendar says. So the first quarter is from July to November, and the second quarter of first semester is going to be January, February till March. Whatever is there in our academic calendar, because there shouldn't be any discrepancies in what our academic calendar says and what we are uploading. So hence we are following our academic calendar, and now we are in the first, still have a month in hand to conduct a few more activities before we can upload the report. But we will have to put it in the calendar and upload it. So what we have done is, if you have seen the Google Sheet, we have already put it up in a Google Sheet. the calendar, and this we have shared with all of you. So all the activities put up in that calendar have been mentioned here in Q1, and whatever activities you've conducted, you can put it here. So now my school didn't conduct any, actually Manisha, we have conducted some career opportunity lectures also, so that can be put up here, the webinar.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah. And then about even, I think Mechatronics, School of Mechatronics, they have also put in, and somebody else has also put in.
Ma'am, I just put it there.
Yeah, you have put in. You told me that you are putting.
Yes, ma'am.
So we also have this one more mandatory activity was orientation session on national education policy, which we have conducted on 14th of October. So that is already put up. So now out of these activities, we have to conduct 3 more total in all 3 activities, 3 electives have to be followed, and total number of activities should be 12 in Q1. So if you all upload your activities here, then probably it will be easier for us to comprehend the whole thing and put up a comprehensive calendar. So if you can do it, please do it, or ask some of your faculty members to please do it by the end of the day. We can, by tonight, I'll be able to upload everything with the minutes of meeting on the portal.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the Q2, there are some more activities, like similar activities, but design validation is there and some other electives are there, so which we have to conduct. But we will discuss about it eventually in our next meeting. So if you, all of you can please fill up this today itself, then it will be really a great help.
आज जरा मुश्किल वाटतंय कारण आता मीटिंग आहे परत, उद्या आम्ही जरा शांततेत सांगतो.
पण सर काय आहे, ऍक्च्युली ते आज अपलोड व्हायला पाहिजे, कारण नाहीतर प्रॉब्लेम होईल आपला.
ओके ठीक.
हा, म्हणजे ते अपलोड नाही करू शकणार आपण नाहीतर, असं आहे. सो दॅट्स द रिझन मी घाईघाईने या सगळ्या कंडिशन मध्ये आजची मीटिंग घेतली. Otherwise, the meeting could have been a little later as well, but because we have to upload it, I conducted the meeting. So, कोणाला तरी सांगा ना, त्या 2-3 activities असतील. So, anything if anybody has to.
Madam, I have a question. Sagar here. Madam.
Sagar.
Madam, we have our students who have started their startups. Like 5 students, they already started their startups. Like one is into bakery center, one has started his own flavor wala kuch to start kiya usne, ice cream center and all that. So and these students are able to correlate with our entrepreneur. Matlab we have guided them to go for it. So can included this kind of innovation and startup mentored by SSPU.
Yes,
the students have put their money. Definitely. Students have put their money. We have just given them a guidance how to start. Under our IIC.
Yes, we also yes, that can be done now. And we also have the startup policy prepared by Shimpi sir last year. So, and Pathak sir, you are the coordinator.
Yes.
Kaitari ideas पण आहेत ना, you were telling me the other day. So
yeah, we have prepared actually a startup policy. I remember last November we have prepared that, and that draft is ready with Dr. Shimpi, and I think it is available in so Shimpi sir, Sagar.
I have the draft. I'll share it with all of you.
Okay, so that draft we have prepared and we deliberated that draft at least 2-3 times if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay.
Same, ma'am. Even in
we can take this draft forward and
Yes.
we can notify that policy. The notification was pending. Otherwise, that draft is quite ready, and we need to discuss it again in the changed context. We will discuss it again, and then we will forward it for the approval of higher authorities.
Yes, and sir, even in this Google Sheet, even if somebody is going to propose in this particular month any of the activities, so please add that as well, because we have already prepared a calendar of our activities and we have submitted it to Registrar Office. So if some activities related to any of the headings in this Google Calendar you've planned, then put it up as the proposed activity as well.
Okay, fine. So that already one competition we are organizing for the students, green mobility, innovation, model making, poster competition and model making competition. We can put it at appropriate place.
Yes. So if anyone has any of a planned activity, please put it up in the Google Sheet by the end of today, and that will suffice for now.
Gauri, I have one suggestion.
Yes,
because
please.
the number of activities under each category is mentioned, say 12. So you will have to, equally divide it and expect or assign that, okay, this department should complete, this school should complete many activities for every quarter.
Yes. But for first quarter now, we have what we have done is I have shared a calendar, and then already done activities and planned activities will be there. We have shared it as per the calendar given by MIC. So we have shared it. So everybody will put up the activities, all the schools, whatever they have conducted or whatever they are planning to conduct. So accordingly, we will manage the whole thing. So if all the activities are in one place, because right now everybody is sending it to Registrar Office, and then it is difficult to compile for me as this is a time bound exercise. And if we submit some calendar right now, and if we add to this particular calendar, they are okay with it.
Yeah, okay.
So basic calendar we have to upload. So basic calendar we will upload today, and rest all.
Another important thing is we don't wait for the students to come on campus. We start conducting the activities as and what are possible online, because we have to submit a report every quarter. So say students come back in January, we don't know when they'll come, when things will start. So we continue to plan online till the time we get permission for the students to be on campus.
Yes.
Gauri ma'am, I had a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have added different schools under that sheet, but school of IDSC is missing. We conduct lot of activities.
Yes. Manisha, please add now. आपल्या लक्षात नाही राहिलं.
Yes, ma'am. I'll add.
Yes. Sorry for that. So we will add it.
Because there are a lot of activities which are conducted.
Yes, absolutely.
So,
Yes. She'll add
Thank
it
you.
now. So you can add into that.
Okay.
I think
thank you.
that's
we
it
can
for
take one more
today.
Turn on video so that
We can take all of us. Please switch on your video so that we can again take a screenshot. And I'm in a really bad shape.
Gauri ma'am, is there any deadline for submission? Is there
Today.
any deadline for today evening?
Today, end of the day.
Okay.
Please, I have to upload it. So
I have shared the Word file with you.
okay.
Even though I have entered also some data.
You can enter in the Google Sheet. Na? That
I am doing it.
Better. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pathak sir, your video is not on. Please switch on your video.
Ma'am, he is there.
It's on. It's on, ma'am.
Yes.
Two
Okay,
logins.
okay.
are there.
He's on
Yeah,
two
I
logins.
couldn't see him, so please have it in a grid format so that
Yes, ma'am.
all the members are visible.
Oh, yes,
Okay,
done, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. And let's decide the duration between two meetings. Probably once in the beginning of the month and once at the end of the month will be better in my understanding, because then we will plan at the beginning of the month and we will take a review at the end of the month, and we'll be able to prepare the reports also accordingly. So let's have a meeting in the last week of November so that by the time I'll share the formats for reports with all of you, and we can submit the reports by the end of November, by the end of first quarter. So I expect, I know that we all will do a great job together, and this year definitely we'll aim for 5 stars. So 4 stars to pakke lane hain humko. So we'll definitely aim for the best.
All the best. All the best to you.
Yes,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Good day and take care.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.